Welcome friends. In this chapter we will see use of loops. In this example we have taken one text box which accepts how many times you want to execute loops, means number of iterations. We have taken one button which will generate loop execution. When we click on button, loop will be start to execute, and one text area, it will display the iteration of the loop. So let's code the generate loop click event. There are various loops. For example, while loop, do loop and for loop. In for loop, we have to create initialization first. We can initialize by integer any variable name which is a control variable. We have to initialize with any number and column. After that, give condition. We have a condition which is inputted in the text box. We will give I less than or equal to, and we will first convert the text box string value to integer. Convert dot to integer 32 txt time text, and after that we will increment the value of loop control variable. Loop control variable is incremented by 1 when loop executed one time. We will write the iteration of the loop in the text box. So let's write txt loop dot text. This is the shorthand assignment operator. We will print this is ith iteration and leave slash n, which is a new line character, and semicolon. Now let's run the program and see the output. Enter the times you want to execute a loop. Suppose we want to execute 6 times, then give 6 and click on generate loop. We can see at each iteration the string is printed. This is the 1th iteration and up to 6th iteration. So this is the use of for loop. Thank you.